Oh.
Alright, boys. It's our landing ground. Hey, was. Oh, was. We look so better, boys.
Okay, where'd you?
Hospital, hospital.
What?
Hospital. Yeah, we got a contract. Good up. Let's get it.
This is researching, right?
Yeah, resurgent, boys. Nah, this is crazy. This is way better than Rebirth.
What? Resurgence?
Way better. This is, yeah, better than Rebirth. This one.
Yeah, I tried
This
already. It's pretty
bigger.
nice.
Yeah. Oh shit! They already got people on top. Got people on top. Hell no, fuck you, bitch. Oh, side.
In the dock?
Yeah, they're inside. They're already inside. Yeah, two.
Oh,
ooh,
two people,
watch out,
man.
bro. Yeah.
Damn, shit.
Watch out, they got off. They booby trapped the whole place, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they booby trapped the whole place up there. Load up, boys. They already too much already. Up there. We got one. 3 now. They got 3 up there.
Somebody land down here. Damn,
Good.
shit.
I'm coming.
Oh my god.
They're still up there on the top.
Okay. Oh shit.
There's a guy in the back. Right there.
Oh! Fucking smart bitch. He's fucking. Hit me with a fucking grenade launcher. Right there. Straight, go straight. He went straight. Yeah, FSM, yeah.
Where?
He went straight. On your left, bro. Yeah, he went straight out there.
Oh, there's a guy on the roof.
What are you shooting at?
There's 2 got a whole squad up here.
There's 2 on
the roof. There's 1 up here.
Oh
man,
my god.
Dude, the whole place is fucking
bitch.
Hell no.
Report him. He calls. Call me Bob Beach.
Still above us.
Mano.
Yeah, I
What?
can hear you, man.
Follow Woody. Let's go up there. Oh, they're here. They're here.
Why can't fucking use this airstrike?
I can't hear nothing.
Somebody here, man.
Damn, nobody on top no more.
No, they're still up there. Right here on the stadium.
Enough to jump.
Why is my nigga?
Get a follow.
Yeah.
He's camping the damn thing.
Camping the damn thing. Camping the damn thing. Shut up.
Damn, this camping here, man. Fuck.
Dude, I killed 2 of them, bro. Oh, how the fuck I didn't help my friend? Hey, come follow me, Yellow.
Shit, my boy.
Fuck, no, bro.
21 second, bro. 21, 19 seconds.
Yeah.
Jump down.
No, how the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck?
Camper ass.
I'm back. Fuck you, I'm back. Hell yeah, I'm back. I'm relocating, boys. I'm relocating. This is fucking a lot of people on that roof. A lot of people on this roof.
Oh, one coming up. Yeah. Hey, Blue, watch your... Yeah. Bro, not clear now.
Yeah, I killed him.
You bitch. Ah.
That's me, bro.
No! My bad, bro.
Behind us.
Check, somebody on the roof. Where you guys are?
From where? Oh.
Took a second.
That fucking gas.
That guy's fucking fast.
Yeah, that gas is so damn fast.
Yeah.
Dylan created that shit.
Oh, thank you.
I might be AFK for a second, I think. No, I can't. No.
Boys, you gotta ping a good spot for us to land, so we don't need to rush that gas.
Look, I'm gonna JSA, Captain.
Alright, 052, are ready to engage again.
Let's get it. Mark the target.
We are going straight to Superstore. Bless you, Shifty Josh.
This.
Oh, it's Mr. T. I thought it's the enemy sniffing. Bless you, Mr. T.
Bad, bro. Nah, I wasn't sneezing, bro. I'm coughing, like, man.
Oh, shit.
Like that before we start, man. Oh, they already landing with everything. With everything.
Oh, I already got guns.
He's on me.
Oh, one down. Fuck.
Bitch. Two of them.
Yeah.
Three. Oh my god, the whole squad. Holy shit. I walk in there. I fucking walk in there.
Yeah, let's fight them. Let's fight them.
They're over at the cash registers, bro. Whole squad. Oh shit. The whole squad is down there. Low intel activity.
Hmm.
Push.
Yeah, what's up?
Medium, medium.
I'm behind them. Keep shooting at them. Yes, what the freak? Oh, another one.
Ahí mero, a tu derecha. Green, right there, pendejo. Dale ahí, con tu derecha.
Oh, almost.
Are they coming in pack or what?
Only one on the bottom now. They're going back right now. Get it. I don't know what it is, bro. Nice shot and flickering.
He's right there on my body.
Break, break, break! Yeah!
You're wide.
Vale, verga.
Adios! Adios, amigo! Bong Gabriel!
What?
Let's go, load out.
Load out, load out, load out, load out. Yeah.
Oh shit. It's on the gas station. Right here, buy station on me. Low activity in this area. The good space by the loading. People on storage.
Money on the bar.
Excuse me.
Ammo right here.
Hello.
Alright, everybody on feet.
Oh, let's go. Man, I went straight through there.
Low enemy activity, bro. You crazy.
Right there, right there.
Yeah.
He's running.
They're riding on top, bro.
Come on. What?
Shit, somebody saw me? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Where the fuck this nigga at, bro? Right there, right there, right there. No. Blue, you didn't see my mark. It's on top of your... On top. No, watch out.
Bro,
Maybe
that's
there's
bullshit,
multiple.
Bro, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. How the fuck did he got me?
There's another one landed with
He
him.
jumped. He's in there.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Watch out.
Let's go play over there. Go play over there.
Rebirth time.
Oh, man.
the other side there, so.
Back when it started, there's like these rumors now. I saw when like talking about
no divorce, but if that's what, you know, what we gotta do, that's what we gotta do.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to stay with her?
No.
No, that's what the motherfucker did to get shot. Damn, guys. I don't want to go over there no more. I'm scared. Nice. Perk! One shot, bro. Fuck yeah.
baja. Destruye.
They're still here. Right there, right there. Go by Lodi. Go by Lodi, y'all. Go up there or what? Put Lodi down there, y'all.
Yep, let's get a loady, boys. Got to cough. You guys got ammo?
No, I ain't got nothing.
Yeah. Thank you. Got one right here. In front of you, Pink.
Yeah, I see him.
In front of you, in front of you. Looking at you. He's looking at you.
Break, keep break.
You up there. Teammate, he got two. There's two with him. Three. Got three.
From military.
On your way to Frozen Lake. On the Frozen Lake. Good. Another one landing in. Up the hill, yeah, up the hill.
Damn.
Down one. Down two. Down three. The last one is running. You found out the buy station on the bottom down here. Ah, you went all the way down there. Good. Thank you. Yeah, we got to go down over. Oh, that's it, right there. This one. What, go for him?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get him. Get him. He's running.
Where?
He's right here.
Oh, I see him.
He's with me. His teammate. Yeah, his teammate is with me. Yeah.
Ooh!
Where?
In front of me. Cover, guys.
Please don't shoot. Get out. Dumbass.
No.
Dumbass.
There's a sniper on me, shooting you guys.
Watch out, truck.
Oh shit! From where? Up there. From up there. From behind us.
Fuck, I didn't see.
From where?
They're on me. They're on me. They can look at you guys.
Oh hell no! Ah! I got hit by a truck, bro. Fuck.
Watch that truck. Watch that truck.
Yeah, fucking hit me with his truck.
Why you keep stealing? 10 seconds.
14 seconds. Let's go. Oh hell no!
You getting double?
Ooh.
In 2009, 2,914 people escaped from North Korea, but by 2022, that figure had plummeted to just 67, and today North Korea has finally made it impossible to escape, unless you use the last remaining method. Take a look at this graph. You can see thousands of North Koreans will escape to South Korea every year, but in 2011, everything changed. The country's former leader Kim Jong-il passed away, and his son Kim Jong-un came to power. Kim Jong-un made it a #1 priority to crack down on escapes, using extreme methods never seen before. Signal jammers have been installed all across the northern border, blocking all foreign cell and satellite signals, preventing both escapes into China and smuggling of contraband from across the Chinese border. Phone call monitoring stations have also been set up, preventing Chinese people smugglers from helping people escape. The number of watchtowers has also increased. These watchtowers have soldiers armed with machine guns inside, who are ordered to shoot on sight anyone trying to escape. Surveillance cameras and sensors have also been added. Concrete barriers and detecting floodlights have also been installed, preventing people escaping in the dark of night. Most of the border now has electric fences and, controversially, landmines, which breaks international law. Fake defectors also hang around near the border. These guys are North Korean authorities. North Korea has also made deals with neighboring countries, ensuring any escapees are sent back, such as their deal with Russia signed in 2014, which led Russia to begin he was soon arrested by Chinese police by deportation. If one person escapes, their entire family are punished, leading to babies and elderly people being sentenced to prison camps. To some of those people escaping.
Alright, boys. Mark.
Damn, that's crazy. Yes! You fucking big eyeball. How the fuck you see me, bro? Lordy, lordy. Down. Hey, there's one guy here. What the fuck?
Top, from the top, they got two of them. Fuck. Got him. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Right. On your left, on your left. Yeah. Oh, fuck you. I'm being loaded. Hey then.
There's two of them. Behind you, behind you.
Stop hiding over here, that's why. Eat that but die, bro. They keep shooting at us when we go to a loadout, bro. That shit pisses me off, bro. Yeah, right there on us. Bottom, bottom. One down, one down. One down, they only two, only two. Fuck, they're reviving right now. Hey, he's coming in, under the breach. Under the breach. Come on, Yellow, kill his ass, Yellow. Kill him. Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Going up, bro.
Oh, la mirada.
Yeah! Beat!
Fuckers. Oh, right here, right. Step right here. He's down.
Oh no!
Left and right, left and right.
Fuck,
Buy back,
bro, that's
buy
some
back.
stupid ass shit. There's no buy station over there, right?
Oh, what shit? What happened to the buy over here?
There's no more. There's a different mode.
Oh,
It's right
shit.
there.
Damn.
It's okay, you guys move forward and then buy me over there. There's people here.
Oh,
Hey,
shit.
there's people above me.
Oh no, the gas is moving. Forget about it. Just move. Just
Go.
slowly moving, and then whenever you in a buy station, that's the time. You'll be all right. It's right next to you guys. The buy station is right next to you guys. Watch out. I'm going to buy. No, he's scared. Oh, am I coming back? Bro, that's crazy. UAV or something, bro. Alright, never mind. Come. Come, you're gonna die. Bro, it's disabled.
I got it. Let's go. We got people with us on our left, bro. Damn. We got him. They're on our left.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
Hold on,
Get ready.
Hold on.
Sorry, sir.
No! Fucking bitch! Fuck. Good shit. Dude, the buy zones are like one over here. They got enemies. Oh, fuck, right there. They got enemies over here.
Go under. Oh shit, that's open,
They got
y'all.
enemies right here. Enemies, there's enemies here. Enemy. There's a lot of them.
I'm under, bro.
Damn.
Fuck you, bro. Oh god. I tried to sneak up behind him and buy you guys.
Rebirth.
พี่น้องผู้บ่าวเก่าข่อยแล้วส่งคลิปกินไก่ห่างทางทรงเครื่องอยู่บ้านเรามาให้ข่อยเบิ่งเป็นตาแซ่บจ้า
Let's see if
พี่
I
น้อง
can find
ผู้
him.
บ่าวเก่าข่อยแล้วส่งคลิปกินไข่ห่างทางทรงเครื่องอยู่บ้านเรามาให้ข่อยเบิ่งเป็นตาแซ่บจ้าพี่น้องผู้บ่าวเก่าข่อยแล้วส่งคลิปกินไข่ห่างทางทรงเครื่องอยู่บ้านเรามาให้ข่อยเบิ่งเป็นตา
All right.
Go.
Go.
How are we there?
Show us. Look at it. Kiri check. Kiri check.
Say never pick up the word. Appointments. That happens. I don't know. It's mine.
No, I like you. That's process fishing.
What's that?
That's the garden.
Yeah,
Heska, how the fuck this pistol beat me, bro? Hey, yo, bro.
Con chemical.
Stop lying, bro. Stop lying. It's gonna help you.
Oh, fuck.
My bad, shit. My bad, bro. That was crazy. No! Ask your mom, ask your mom, ask your mom. Hey, foi com quem passou aqui? É? Eu vou checar aqui um pouco diferente.
Hey, not like 1,000.
Water. Water. Give me water. Give me. Shit.
English.
That's good. Hero. Hero. That one down there. That one. Hey, red bag, the orange bag. It's an orange bag, not the red. That one. Get in!
Good cover.
Captain Piani! Marcos!
Hai se sali per me. Si riprende. Dato noi. Estamos en el Well,
แล้วฟื้นเกียร์แล้วเหรอ
Come on. Oh, go down so quick.
Give me your money, give me your money. Give me your money. That fence UAV Bob. That fence UAV Bob.
Hmm?
That fence. We got that fence right now. Yes! Oh my god, bro. This guy faked me. It's only one. It's right there. Still on top, bro. Kill that guy. It's only one.
Oh, huh?
Kill him. He's still there. It's right there. He's trying to cross. You got him?
You get him?
Bro, that's fucked up. He killed all three of us. survivor. Hey, you fucking bitch! Fuck you, bro! You're a fucking bitch. Bro, I'm reporting the shit out of you, man. Wait a little bit. Hey.
Yeah, apa ni si chicken and reaper?
You say that one? Super play? Tagato, gila.
Apa ini sih? Sabar respon, so no pan pula.
Jumpa tagi gue Mr. T, abira jadi.
I try to join you, but I can't.
Okay, let me fight this guy.
Sakura.
Another day, another blessing, wash my pain away.
You're the host. You're the host now. Black Knight, you're the host.
I'm the host.
Smell. Shop birthday. Shop birthday cups.
Number tayo big map the fortune. And what fragrance? The fortune rebirth what fragrance? The fortune rebirth what fragrance?
That's it? Yeah, fortune map. What the big map?
What fragrance?
Saban na. Apareceu isso aqui, Vitor. Solo kulay.
Resurgence.
Ele é um posto. Oh.
Not bad, you're right.
They were set up.
Damn, I should have put trios. Yeah, I'm gonna put trio snakes. Oh, no, that's black.
No, the fifth trio.
Oh, look at this series invited me, bro. Why did I get like that, bro? Hey, cái đó có phải chơi, the fuck? Come lucky I'm 9 fight, na cái phải chơi. Like what the fuck? Mà lem nga sige ka chơi de. Lem bel bagada nga sige. You had crossplay disabled. Crossplay is disabled. A crossplay is being disabled. Ý là phương kia cái phò người có anh close up cái gì mà nói on the spot.